Welcome back to the blogs. Happy New Year! If you're watching this in summer, it's not going to make much sense, but you know, it's 2nd of January now as well, by the way. So hope you've had a good Christmas. Unlike me, who got the lurgy, I uploaded video 9 and then got ill, so I didn't get back to the garage. But such is life. New Year's Eve, this happened. As you can see, I decided to take the engine out. What happened is that I looked at all the parts I needed to take off to look at the cam timing around the far side of the engine, and weighing it all up, it was going to be just as easy to take the whole engine out. So I get it all loosened on New Year's Eve, and then New Year's Day I just lifted it out with Dad and had a look at the engine. And yeah, it didn't really all go to plan, unfortunately. There was an issue with cam timing by the looks of it. It was very difficult to measure the cam timing with the engine in one piece. So I took it apart, as you can see in front of you there. And the cam timing is a little bit out, but not a massive amount. But obviously I took the cylinder head off to have a look. There was a suspect valve that didn't look to be shutting all the way back up, and disaster did strike, and this is what I found: one bent valve. Now the problem with these valves, or this cylinder head, it's old and rare as buggery. And that means all the parts inside it are also old and rare as buggery. And the biggest valves I can easily find are 37mm, and all my inlet valves are 38. So I'm going to take that out and measure it and see what else has been damaged in there. But life is never that easy, so I don't know what I'm going to do now. Can you tell it's Christmas? One of the things I wanted to say was thank you to all the new subscribers, wherever you are in the world, and also a big thank you to, well, mainly Bunker Sean, I think, who's been contacting me a lot on Facebook with solutions and things to check on this cylinder head before I started to strip it apart. It's been helpful to have somebody just to bounce some ideas off. He's pretty adept on his old A series, although he can't quite cope with modern ECUs and stuff, can you, mate? So yeah, so it's been a bit of a shitty few days, but here's where we're at now. So that leaves me in a difficult situation now. I don't know what I'm going to do. The problem I have is that cylinder head has only got, I think it's 13 cc's in the combustion chamber, and in this block here there's 11, which gave me a compression ratio of, I think it was 12.7. so if I got another 8-pot head to go on this engine, it would have to be one with low cc's in the combustion chamber, and the only one that I know of is on the other Mini, and it's been skimmed a few times as well. So I don't know what to do, because if I take it off that engine, it means I've got another car down and not working, whereas at the moment it's working fine. I can't really look at getting, well, I could look at getting a new Mini Spares 8-pot head and just pop it straight on, but the problem with that is that the combustion chambers in them are 21cc, and then combined with that dish I've got in these pistons, that only gives me a compression ratio of, I think it's 10.3, which is a bit low, unless I was going to supercharge it or do something like that, but I don't think I'm going to get that done in any short period of time. So the other option is to try and find some valves that are going to fit in that head and get it repaired. Maybe Turbo Phil might be doing it. But I don't know. I'm stuck at the moment, and I need the car to be done and ready for the end of the month. And well, it needs to be done sooner than that, so I can get some tuning done on it. But yeah, scuppered. So I'll just let you know as soon as I can what I'm going to do. I'll have to look into all the alternatives and go from there, really. Yeah, I'm pretty shit out of luck at the moment, really. I've been looking at the YouTube analytics software as well, trying to work out what you want to see. Surprisingly for me, I found that the videos that get the most views are the ones where I'm actually talking. Which seems odd to me, because I don't like talking to just random nobody, a camera. I maybe have to draw a face on you so I can interact easier. So maybe good if you tell me what you like to see. There's not going to be any bodywork on this sort of channel. I'm not going to do bodywork repairs to the Classic Mini. There's loads of channels do that already. Total car reviews, he does all that. He's done all that sort of stuff, put his engine in, although obviously he doesn't know as much as I do yet, although I'm teaching him. And then there's the Mad Mini and Matt 16 Valve who do all the bodywork repairs. You ain't going to see any of that. All you're going to see on this channel is, I don't want to say high-end stuff, but tuning, more exotic motors, the XE, the VTEC, mapping, rolling road stuff, shows and events, that sort of stuff. So yeah, just let me know what you want to see and I'll try and accommodate. As I said, I'm not so keen on this part of it, but the videos with me explaining stuff and showing you what I've done seems to get the biggest views, so if that's what you want to see, let me know. Okay, we'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see, and click the bell icon.